Right, this is a re-clad we've done on a 1980s house that was old rotten cedar. We've swapped it out for the plantation bamboo cladding and done a few bamboo decks on the front and back of the house. This is a nice technique we like to use, wrapping the posts with the bamboo decking, because this is a 90mm by 90mm post, and these boards work out perfect to just be able to rip the back out and get them to join in together all nice and tidy. We've just used some stainless rose heads here. They're the bronze colour and they've come up quite nice. And over here we've used a combination of the cladding and the decking to make a little seat/wall for privacy off the street when you're sitting up on your deck here. And we've also combined it with a grappa trellis. And same sort of idea, we've routed the back out of the boards to make a nice finished corner. And yes, stainless bronze screws again, just nicely hidden. Barely noticeable, but a nice feature when you're looking up them close. So this is a technique we use for the box corners. There's many ways you can do this. You can do no box corner, or you could opt for the box corner option, but we've just ripped the border cladding in half and done the same thing where we've routed out the back and got it to have a nice factory edge. Put a little arris on both sides and it's turned out pretty well. So one of the reasons why the owner's chosen this product is because he wanted a low maintenance build. We're close to the beach here down in Waikanae, so it does get hammered by the elements, but as you can see it's sort of starting to weather off nicely, and they were liking to have the colour of driftwood, so it's getting there, and it's looking really nice, and it's probably going to hold up to the elements.